Hello everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. If you need to transfer the data from your Android device to your new iOS devices, please just try AnyTrans. With simple clicks, you can make it. First, please launch AnyTrans. Next, connect your both iOS device and Android device to the computer via the USB cable. Once your iOS device is recognized, the interface below will display. Please choose Phone Switcher option. Once your both devices are connected, you'll see the interface below. Then please click Next button. After that, all file categories will be listed. Please select the categories you want to transfer based on the needs. Just take transferring contacts from Android device to iOS device as an example. After you choose the contacts you want to transfer, please click Next button. Then the transfer process will be initiated automatically. Once transfer process completes, you will see Transfer Completed page. Please open your iOS device to check the contacts transferred from the Android device.